Hello everyone, thank you all for joining me today. Today we're going to be explaining and demonstrating how to change the font color in WordPress. You can change the font color for the entire website, or you can change it per post, whatever post, by using inline CSS method. So, for instance, if I wanted to change, let's inspect this. Let's go ahead and change this stuff. All this. Let's say, for instance, let's change the content. This right here, this text, the fonts, the font color. Press. Go. What you do is hover over the font. Press inspect. It's going to pop up right here. The CSS editor comes up. Okay. We're going to down key, so it's highlighted this entire area, but you just want this pretty much just want the font. So what you do is go ahead and click down, and as you see right here, click on the let me see here. Okay, so this is the font area. So this div right here is the font area. So where it says padding left, let's make another spot. Let's say color. We're just going to see what happens. Red. So it does change. So we have identified the location of the HTML property, and we've changed the color to red. So that's going to change. So you don't want to change it like this, okay, unless you want all the content for this regular text that you create in the future posts be red. But if you want to define per post, what you do is you copy this, or you can use the color code as I've explained before. You can use color code, or copy the color code, or the name. Either you use the name of the color code, or go ahead and use the actual color code. Use the name, or use the color name or the color code. The color code is better because names run out, but the actual font, the actual code has a definition. You see, no matter what it is, if you can't identify the name, you still have the code. So anyhow, just like I said, copy the code for red. So here is red. Go ahead and copy it. And what you do is edit the post. So just edit the post individually. Define the color individually. If you don't want to change the entire website, your website's entire element to red for font, just change it individually. Let me see here. And it started right here. So it started from, I guess we can start it here from this opening bracket right here, this opening tag, div tag, or we can start it from this opening div tag. So we're going to start it from this opening div tag because it's defining this particular content. So let's say color, and this is inline CSS, and let's paste that code right here, and it's going to change the font. So let's preview it and see what happens. As you see, it changes this content, but the rest of the content for the website would be left alone because it's individually edited. It's individually defined. It's not overall defined for the website. So that's how you edit. That is how you change the color, the font color in WordPress. Thank you all for joining me. My name is Jermaine Please of Web Hosting Throne. Simply Google Web Hosting Throne or find me at webhostingthrone.com. Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you in the next tutorial.